provide stable voltage, prevent damage, ensure safety, and enable reliable LED strip lighting performance. My today's video is about top 5 best LED strip power supplies that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ALITOVE LED strip power supplies, this 12V5 A60W power adapter is a reliable and stable power solution designed for a wide range of 12V electronic devices. Before use, it is important to ensure your device requires 12V and does not exceed 5A current, and that the DC connector size matches 5.5mm x 2.5mm, also compatible with 5.5mm x 2.1mm. It supports universal input, 100V to 240V, making it suitable for use in different regions. Built-in safety protections include overload, overvoltage, short circuit, and thermal cutoff, ensuring safe and reliable operation. The stable voltage output prevents fluctuations during power on, use, or shutdown, helping protect sensitive electronics from damage. A useful feature is the included free female DC connector, allowing easy wiring without soldering. It is ideal for devices such as LED strips, CCTV cameras, routers, 3D printers, audio amplifiers, and more. Overall, it is a safe, stable, and versatile indoor power supply for multiple applications. Now our second product is NIYIPXL LED strip power supplies. This 12V10A120W LED driver is a powerful and reliable power supply designed for both indoor and outdoor lighting applications. With a wide input range of 100 to 260 VAC, it ensures stable performance across different electrical environments. It offers multiple built-in safety protections, including short circuit, overload, overvoltage, overcurrent, and overtemperature protection. The hiccup mode with auto recovery adds extra safety by automatically restoring operation once the fault is cleared, helping protect your LED system. With IP67 waterproof rating and a durable aluminum housing, it is highly suitable for outdoor use while also ensuring efficient heat dissipation and long-term stability. It works well with LED strip lights, bulbs, industrial lighting, computer projects, and other 12V DC devices. Please note, this driver is not dimmable and is only compatible with RGB dimmers. Certified with CE, RoHS, and SALV standards, it delivers safe, stable, and efficient power for a wide range of LED lighting needs. Our third product is Rolanche LED strip power supplies. This 12V30W LED power supply is a compact and efficient solution for powering a variety of low-voltage lighting systems. It converts AC 90 to 265V input to a stable 12V DC 2.5A output, making it suitable for use in different regions. The included 3.3-foot power cord with a US standard 3-prong plug adds convenience for easy installation. Built with a one-piece aluminum housing, it offers excellent heat dissipation and durability. Its IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in both indoor and outdoor environments, while also protecting against dust and moisture for long-term use. Safety is a strong feature, with built-in protection against short circuit, overload, overvoltage, overcurrent, and overtemperature. The hiccup mode with auto recovery ensures stable and flicker-free operation after fault conditions are resolved. Ideal for LED strip lights, landscape lighting, pool lights, signage, and other 12V DC devices. It provides reliable, efficient, and safe power. Note, it is not dimmable and should not be used with dimmers or constant current systems. Now number 4, Fletergib LED strip power supplies. This 24V100W LED power supply is a reliable and efficient solution for both indoor and outdoor lighting applications. It converts AC 90 130V input to a stable 24V DC output with up to 4.2A current, making it suitable for a wide range of 24V LED systems. Before use, it's important to ensure your device does not exceed the 100W maximum load. Built with a durable aluminum housing, this transformer offers excellent heat dissipation and long-lasting stability. Its IP67 waterproof rating ensures strong protection against rain, dust, and harsh weather conditions, making it ideal for outdoor installations. Safety is a key feature, with built-in protection against short circuit, overload, overvoltage, overcurrent, and high temperature. The hiccup mode with auto recovery ensures safe, flicker-free operation after faults are cleared. It comes with a 3.3-foot power cord with a US 3-prong plug-in waterproof connectors for easy installation. Suitable for LED strips, signage, garden lighting, and more, it delivers stable and dependable performance. Note, not dimmable and incompatible with dimmers. And our last choice is YINMSS LED strip power supplies. This 12V dimmable LED power supply is a reliable and professional-grade solution for low-voltage lighting systems. It converts 120V AC to a stable 12V DC output and is fully compatible with popular dimmer brands like Lutron and Leviton, making it suitable for both residential and commercial installations. One of its key strengths is smooth, flicker-free dimming from 0 to 100%, allowing precise brightness control without buzzing or instability. This makes it easy to create the perfect lighting atmosphere for any room or setting. The installer-friendly design includes bare wire connections and a built-in wiring compartment with knockouts, ensuring compliance with electrical standards. A clear wiring diagram further simplifies installation for professionals and DIY users. It also features advanced magnetic dimming technology, reducing electromagnetic interference for quiet and stable operation. ETL certification ensures safety and reliability, while responsive customer support adds extra confidence. Overall, it's a dependable, efficient, and easy-to-install LED driver for high-quality dimmable lighting systems. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.